Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install this gutter guard for downspout. So this my roof, I just had it. I had just had a roof done for about 2 months ago, and I got the new roof and new gutters and new downspout, new everything right here. So today I'm going to show you how to install this gutter guards for the downspout, and I bought this off from Amazon for, I believe it's 8 or 6 in there, for about like $10. So, and let's open this up. Right here, it looks like this. Right here, it's aluminum, and yep, it's aluminum like this. And what you do is just you just put this right in where the downspout, the downspout, put this right in there. So this, what it do is prevent the leaves, dead leaves, or anything from going to your downspout. Because if you let leaves, anything that go in the downspout, sooner or later you can have problem. It's gonna be all clogged up with leaves and everything. You might need a snake to go down there, and it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So this is pretty cheap to prevent the dead leaves and any debris from going into the downspout. Let me show you how to install it. Let's do the house first and then the garage. So I have I think for the house I have 3 downspouts, 1 over here and then 2 in the front. So my house, a ranch house, it should be easy to get up there with a small ladder. Right here, the downspout. See, if you don't put this gutter guard for downspout, sooner or later your downspout gonna clogged up with the dead leaves, the debris, and it's gonna cost you a lot of money later on to unclog it. Let's go up here. It's pretty easy to do right there. Just take one of this and just insert it right in there. It's like that, right there. So now it prevents the debris from going in. That's like I said, there's nothing in the gutter yet because the gutter is pretty. The roof and the gutter just been installed for about 2 months. So you can see it's very simple to do. Just put it in there, and I got let's see, 5 more to do. So that's how you do it. It's so simple, and it shouldn't take long at all. Look at the leaves already over there to prevent the leaves from going into your downspout. A lot of leaves going to the downspout gonna clog up your downspouts, and you might need a snake to go in there, and then so this way just to prevent all the dead leaves and debris from going to down your downspout. So it's pretty cheap. Each one's about $1.50 maybe. It's not that expensive at all. And this is made from aluminum, very flexible right there. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe.